Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Samsung is leading the way in the next era for smartphones, and now new details have leaked for its most ambitious Galaxy smartphone yet, as we now know the battery capacity for Samsung's class-leading Galaxy Z Fold 4. Potentially Galaxy Fold 4, and it tells us something very interesting about how this folding smartphone range will push the envelope once more. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 will have a total battery capacity of 4,270 mAh after spotting certification Samsung had filed for them in its native South Korea. Like previous Galaxy Fold models, this capacity is comprised of two batteries, in this case one being 2,002 mAh and the other 2,268 mAh. And this is virtually identical to the 4,275 mAh total capacity of the current Galaxy Z Fold 3. But here's the clever bit: multiple leaks have revealed that Samsung plans to make the Galaxy Z Fold 4 significantly thinner and lighter than its predecessors, as well as changing the aspect ratio, so fitting virtually identical batteries inside is highly impressive. For comparison, when Samsung reduced the Galaxy S21's 6.2-inch display to 6.1 inches for the Galaxy S22, the battery capacity dropped 10%, and this is just the start. Galaxy Club reports that Samsung has also worked out how to squeeze Galaxy S22 cameras into the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Previously, cameras were always a weak spot for this range. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 4, possibly minus the Z branding, for sensible reasons, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 4 in August. Samsung is already the runaway leader in the burgeoning foldable sector. Until Apple enters this space, if the partnership with ATL materializes, it will mark the first time that Samsung will be using batteries other than the ones from its SDI subsidiary for its foldable phones. Recently, LG has also been thrown in the mix as Samsung battery supplier, so the company is obviously trying to diversify its sources. The starting Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 prices are rumored to be lower this year than their predecessors' tags at launch, and one way to rein costs in has been to play different suppliers against each other and thus lower the overall bids. Samsung is trying to popularize the foldable phone's niche, and for them to become mainstream the bendy handsets need to fall in price at least to the level of current rigid flagships, so the ATL and LG battery supply diversification spree over at Samsung is one piece of its market penetration puzzle. One way to achieve lower Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 prices yet still add new features and hardware to the phones is by replacing expensive suppliers in the chain with alternatives that are no less experienced but can produce the component for less, and Samsung seems to be doing exactly that. Well, that is it guys, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video, peace out.